What happens if there is a dispute or problem with the sale after the bill of sale is signed?
Hello, and welcome to today's video. Today, we are addressing a common concern. What happens if there is a dispute or problem with the sale after a bill of sale is signed? This situation can be complex, but having a clear understanding of your rights and responsibilities can make the process significantly smoother.
What is a bill of sale?
A bill of sale is a legal document that serves as evidence of a transaction between two parties, the seller and the buyer. It contains important information such as the description of the item, the sale price, the date of the transaction, and the contact details of both parties. In most cases, it serves to transfer the ownership of an item from the seller to the buyer. However, this document does not necessarily protect you from future disputes, which is why it's crucial to understand what steps to take if such a situation arises.
What happens if a dispute arises?
When a dispute occurs after the bill of sale is signed, it typically revolves around issues like defects in the sold item or discrepancies in the terms of the agreement. This is when the bill of sale document becomes extremely crucial, as it can serve as evidence in the dispute resolution process. Firstly, both parties should attempt to resolve the dispute amicably. If a resolution can't be reached, you might need to involve a mediator or even consider legal action.
What if the sold item is defective?
If the sold item turns out to be defective, the buyer can request a refund or replacement from the seller. The seller's responsibility for the defect may depend on whether they were aware of the defect at the time of the sale or whether they provided any warranties or guarantees. However, if the bill of sale includes an as-is clause, it means the buyer accepts the item in its current condition at the time of sale. If a dispute arises later, the as-is clause can protect the seller from liability, unless the buyer can prove that the seller intentionally concealed the defect.
Can legal action be taken?
If a dispute cannot be resolved privately or through mediation, it might be necessary to take legal action. The bill of sale can be used as evidence in court to establish the terms of the sale and verify the transaction. If the court finds that one party has breached the terms of the sale or acted dishonestly, they may order that party to pay damages to the other. However, legal proceedings can be costly and time-consuming, so it's generally better to resolve disputes outside of court if possible. In conclusion, while a bill of sale serves as evidence of a transaction, it doesn't completely protect you from future disputes. If a problem arises after the sale, it's important to try to resolve the issue amicably, or potentially through legal channels if necessary. Remember, prevention is better than cure, so always be thorough and careful during any sale or purchase. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of what happens if a dispute arises after a bill of sale is signed. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and safe in all your transactions.